हेलो। चल। Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. We are entering fourth week. Here, our attention will be focused upon Prakriti, nature, and Pratyay, values and features of nature. Today, in this lesson 22, as first lesson of this week, we will be concentrating upon formulations, Prakriti, and Pratyaya. Formulation Prakriti leads to TCV 18, while TCV of formulation Pratyay is 15. These together lead to value 33. For quick access, please place your favorite share and these together lead to summation value 33. Now see that if we have numbers 1 to 18, then this range of numbers will lead to factors 33. This would mean that factors 18 plus 15 for number 18 is the feature which is to be appreciated distinctively. The reach from numbers, say for number 18 as 1 to 18, and for factors 33 as 1 to 33, and number 33 as 18 plus 15, would mean that this number 18 is having inherent additional feature of 15, and it is this which is to be pointedly absorbed. Let us update our TCB dictionary as that formulation prakriti is of TC value 18, formulation pratyay is of TC value 15, and the value 15 is the value of 15 as factors in addition to the numbers range 18 itself. Let us now add as that 18 it leads to sthapatya of hypercube 5, that is 3, 4, 5 and 6, a solid order space of creative boundary, transcendental domain and self-referral origin. And 15 is the value of the dimensional frame of a 5 space, 1 into 3 into 5. Therefore, the hypercube 5 as hypercube 5 within creates a space at the origin seat is a 3 space solid order. It is this solid order seal at the creator's space. Now, transcendental seal at the origin seat of the creator's space is there as prakriti nature is having additional inherent supply of value 15, which manifests as the solid order dimensional frame at the origin seat of the creator's space. 5 space as domain leads to 3 space as dimension and superimposition of dimensional frame upon the domain as 3 plus 5, 8, and as 3 multiplied by 5, 15, together as 23, makes it Shahestra 1000 Anant, and it is this feature and value which is to play its distinctive role So while we will be compiling our Sthapatya referencer with respect to the formulation Prakriti and Pratyay, then we will be focusing as that the TC value 18, TC value 15, numbers 1 to 18, factors 1 to 33, as 33 is equal to 18 plus 15. 18 is H5 hypercube 5, while 15 is the dimensional frame of 5 space. Then further we will add as that number 33 is the value which is the value of the southwest direction. This southwest direction, Ishan cone, is of TC value 33, and it will lead to the Agen cone, the northeast direction, as value 30, which is H8. So we will add as that in our referencer that Prakriti and Pratyay together as 33 factors will lead to value 30, which is hypercube 8, and it is the representative regular body of 8 space, and the technical term being accepted as a formulation for it is Asht Prakriti. Therefore, we have to add further a note as that Asht Prakriti as it is of TC value 11 plus 18 is 29, which is the TC value of Brahma, Creator the Supreme, the Forehead Lord, and it is leading to hypercube 14 as of 29 versions. Still further, it will help us appreciate that Asht, which simply means 8, is of TC value 11, and it is going to be of the organization 3 plus 5, but here it is going to be 3 plus 5 plus 3. How 5 space with solid order will be having a split for 3-dimensional frame into a pair of 3-dimensional frames of half dimensions. Further, we can make an additional note as that Asht Prakriti, eightfold nature, as 29 as a space, 4 space H4 leading to H14, which is again leading to 29 geometries, and it is parallel with the TCV Brahma, the overlord of a 4 space, and that its representative regular body of 33 factors lead to 30, reaching from Ishan cone, and it is going to be H8, a representative regular body of 8 space. So we are at 8 space, its representative body H8 is 30, and D8, the 8 space content, which is at the origin seat of pole star Dhruv, 7 space body, and At the origin seat, 8 will be leading us to 8, 6, 6 and 4, which is equal to 24, and same is parallel with the value of the dimensional frame of a 6 space, which is 6 into 4, a 24, and it is also parallel with the formulation Purusha. All these features as such when will be compiled, tabulated, and when we will be having a comprehensive view of it, we will see and appreciate as to how the Asht Prakriti is the fundamental, foundational concept, and it is this concept in terms of which we will be in a position to appreciate as to how when the Vedic systems chase it along the 8 directional frame itself with its Ishan cone, it gives a reach to the Agan cone, and it is this reach will help us appreciate that it is actually 11 into 3, and here it is 10 into 3, and so it is a reach from 11 to a 10, and it is this feature which deserves to be appreciated as that there happens a two-way processing, and it is this two-way processing system because of the spatial order which provides a reversal. As we know, within a plane, line becomes a curve, and with it inherently it has inherent feature for reversal of orientation. So it is this reversal of orientation feature which is available because of the spatial order of 4 space, which plays the role of creative dimension for 6 space, while 6 space itself plays the self-referral dimension of Asht Prakriti. So see how sequentially by this we are having a reach up till 8 space. Now let us have a fresh visit to the text of Ganita Sutras and Upsutras, and we'll see that this text of Ganita Sutras is having specific formulations for these numbers. However, the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 as such are taken as the foundational. These numbers 0 to 10 as 11 geometries of 11 versions of hypercube 5, and having it split as 6 and 5. Here are the 6 numbers and here are the 5 numbers, and out of it the foundation comes to be 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Therefore, while we will be having a reach at hypercube 5, and when we will see that it is a solid dimensional order, and the same with superimposition gives us value 8, and so we will have to reach at Asht Prakriti. So when we will be knowing Asht Prakriti, only then we can say that yes, we are at the proper foundation for the Vedic mathematics of 0, 1, 2, 7, 9 and 10. See, here is the number 26 and here is the number 29. This number 29 is the TC value of a Brahma, while this value 26 is the value of a Devta. Therefore, Devta as such conceptually lays the foundation, and the value Brahma is the Ganit. So Vedic mathematics is the mathematics of a real force space, while the Vedic mathematics, science and technology is the discipline of a transcendental seal at the creators of space. So we in fact will be beginning with a setup of Hypercube 4 with its origin being 5 space, and when there happens a visfort, an explosion, and when its dimensional frame dimensions, solar dimensions disintegrate, and there happens cavities at the center and windows at the outer door. So as a process, things becomes that it has a 7 space content, reaches the origin of a 6 spaces Surya, and then it as 6 space as a self-referential dimension creates Asht Prakriti, and it is this Asht Prakriti which is going to play its role. So to have a proper appreciation of the foundation of Vedic mathematics, or otherwise if we want to be parallel with the superstructure laid by Vedic mathematics upon the solid dimensional order foundation, then we have to be blissfully parallel with the formulation Asht Prakriti, and for it we have to be parallel with Prakriti and its Pratyay. So Prakriti Pratyay to Asht Prakriti is to be reached, and all these features as such deserve to be mentioned specifically, to be tabulated specifically in our Sthapatya referencer. Let me have a pause and reinforce as that we have to have our own TCB dictionary and Sthapatya referencer. Here, in the context of this 4th week conceptual topic, we have to add the first word as a Prakriti, second as a Pratyay, then the Asht Prakriti. It is in terms of these formulations that we have to update ourselves. We have to imbibe these concepts and values. It is only by comprehending, imbibing these values, this Sthapatya features, and this transcendental code values of these formulations that we will really can be blissfully along the format of Vedic systems, approach of Ganita Sutras mathematics, and of Asht Prakriti playing its role in the existence phenomenon of the solar universe itself, including that of the existence phenomenon within human frame. Thank you very much.